Hi, this is Chris Chigazia, CEO of Off the Class, and now we're going to jump into the first of 4 key pieces of infrastructure that you're going to have to make a decision around to get your ESL school online. Video conferencing systems. So, of course, your teachers are going to need a way to see and speak to your students for synchronous online ESL lessons. And the great thing about video conference systems is it's a completely commoditized category. There are endless options of video conferencing systems that you can choose from. So I myself have taught online ESL lessons with Zoom, Skype, Google Hangouts, WizIQ, GoToMeeting, Join.me. I've even used WhatsApp with some of my kind of refugee students here in Toronto because that's all they had. There are endless options available to you, and it's completely commoditized. So many of these options are super low cost or are actually free. So it should be a relatively easy decision. We've been telling people to use Zoom for 5 years. The reason we always recommend Zoom is because it's super lightweight, it's super easy. The joining process is really easy. You just click a link and you join. So students can usually figure it out, even if it's their first lesson with your school. But the point is, you don't need to use Zoom. You can use any video conferencing system you like. As long as it has good reliability, works decently well in low bandwidths, you should Google right now free online video conferencing systems. It would be impossible for me to list you all the options. There are endless ones. So find the system that works with you, check it off, and move forward. If you do want to use Zoom, obviously Zoom has done a really good job in like being really popular for ESL teachers. You know, the last month or so, they've been really top of mind. If you do want to use Zoom and you're worried about that you can't use the free accounts because they're limited versus the pro accounts, which are like $20 a month, you can absolutely use the free accounts. The only major limitation on the free Zoom accounts is that group lessons, when it's me and a group of students, those are limited to 40 minutes. But pro tip, there's no timeout on how quickly you can restart after that 40-minute cutout, the exact same video conference room. So you could just institute that after 40 minutes or 39 minutes of a live lesson, a group lesson, there's just a bathroom break, everybody can go grab a glass of water, and then right away your teachers can start again. So that's a pro tip on the free Zoom accounts. You don't need the business plan at all. Free accounts should be fine. But again, you don't need to use Zoom. Find a low cost, if not free, video conference system that works for you. Take care.